What is up, everybody? So today we're going to be doing an introduction to the channel video on the Ryobi P117 30-minute charger for the 1.3 amp hour batteries, as well as I picked up a lithium plus HP Ryobi battery. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are doing well, guys and gals. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this is going to be the introduction to the channel video. I'm going to be posting this video first. So I picked up, and just quick information on a tool deal. If you buy this battery, this 4 amp hour lithium plus HP 18 volt battery, and this charger in separate containers, so here's the box for the charger alone, and then you have the clamshell that the battery came in. If you add both of these to the cart, whether in store only, not online, they have a combo version of this where the charger, here's the charger and the battery in a clamshell like this. That's $129. Tax on that is $11.04. Ends up being that this in a combo kit ends up being $140 and some change. Where if you buy it this way, where you get the charger in its own box like that and a battery in its own clamshell, you put both of them in the cart on the register when you're purchasing at Home Depot. This separately, because this battery dropped, it's now 79 bucks. This is 39, ends up being 118. The tax makes it $129.14 total, as what I picked these two up for. If you go the other route, it's $129 plus tax. So the tax makes it $140. So this is the better deal. This is one of the PBP005 batteries I got with this particular charger, because they're doing a promo where you buy the 4 amp hour kit, you get 2 of these batteries and a charger. So I picked one of these up for the higher demand things. The bottom of the glue guns that I picked up for my wife state that it recommends this battery right here, which is the P192. So I grabbed it, picked it up. Introduction to the channel. I did charge this battery. It is fully charged. And there is a difference between these batteries on what color the indicator is. So on the older black, which is like I would consider the Generation 1 batteries for Ryobi, black with the gray, the light is this kind of lime green, kind of like my wife described it as Mountain Dew. That's the color of the lights that she described it as, Mountain Dew. On the newer batteries, the HP batteries, from what I noticed, they're this dark kind of green, and there's a progressive step. You can see how it progressively gets larger on each light, where on these, the lights are all the exact same length. But I already charged this battery. It took this charger. I don't know if it was a fluke or, just it happened by accident, but it took this charger. This is a 30-minute charger for, if you look at the combo kit where you get these two in one package, it says 80-minute charge, which is an hour and 20 minutes. The 30-minute on this is only for 1.3 amp hour batteries that are this style, with the black on the bottom, the gray, just the 18 volt lithium. This will charge the 18 volt lithium 1.3 amp hours in less than 30 minutes and a 1.5 amp hour in 30 minutes exactly. So just because you pick up this charger, don't think that it's going to charge all batteries in 30 minutes. It will not. This battery, I think it might have been a fluke. It actually charged it in an hour and 10 minutes. unless it wasn't completely dead. It did have one bar on it when I put it on the charger, which was the storage bar, or storage mode. But it's a possibility that that one bar was almost on the cusp of the second bar and that on charge, and that's why it took 10 minutes less. Only way to find out is when I drain this battery to put it on the charger again and test it. But, you know, a lot of information being crammed into the video real quick. I am going to be mounting that on the wall. I haven't figured out where yet. I was thinking maybe to move these over here or mount that one here. I have no idea at the moment. I still need to put the I still need to make some custom mounts for the Metabo and the Makita chargers. These chargers are not mountable. They have no mounting holes on them. Doesn't matter if it's Makita or Metabo. Metabo doesn't do it either. So ended up getting a hold of a buddy of mine, and he makes 3D printed mounts that you can actually use for the regular, the DC18RC Makita charger, as well as the DC18RD, which is the dual. And I talked to him about making some mounts to clamp onto these guys as well for the Metabo. But I need to mount those up here because I have one Metabo charger sitting here, which I'd prefer it to be mounted on the wall. So probably gonna mount them up here once I establish that. And then the Makita ones are probably gonna go up here as well. Unless I can squeeze one in a spot like right here. I might put the smaller Makita one right here, who knows. But I'm just using that pillar as the charger pillar. And it's pretty thick wood. This is a slab of wood. It's probably a 14 by 6, somewhere in there. And then there's another slab here. So this is a large two sections of wood that were bolted together. You can see the bolts right there, and there's one down there. But back to it. I do plan on mounting this one on the wall. I also plan on mounting this one too. These are slow chargers. This takes 2 hours. On one battery, the battery was completely dead. It took 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge one of these old style 4 amp hours. If it had a bar of charge on it and it was close to having 2 bars of charge, it took about 2 hours on this charger. This charger charged this one in 1 hour and 10 minutes. So let's say 1 hour and 20 minutes if the last light bar was flashing and it was completely dead. You're saving a minimum of 1 hour and 10 to 1 hour and 20 minutes extra savings on this charger, which is a good thing. But, you know, giving you guys as much information as I possibly can for this, you know, introduction to the channel video. I will be doing more videos on these, as well as more Ryobi tools. I did, you know, obviously I picked up the Ryobi 18 volt line of tools. I am going to be doing some head-to-heads, and if you guys would like to provide a Ryobi tool like a hammer drill or an impact driver to the channel for me to do the head-to-heads with, that would be very much appreciated. I will send them back whenever I'm done with the videos. If that is something that you guys would like, let me know in the comments or on my YouTube. In my information on my YouTube, you can actually get my email from there if you guys want to provide tools to the channel. I don't plan on buying an impact driver or a hammer drill or anything like that right this minute. I got Milwaukee DeWalt, both M12, M18. For DeWalt would be 20 volt. And I got Metabo 18 volt and 36 volt hammer drills and impact drivers. You know, I've got lots of them, but I am not against if somebody wants to, you know, say you guys went and purchased one of the new HP tools from Ryobi, a hammer drill and impact driver, and you have a 5-year-old or a 10-year-old model you want me to, you know, put head to head with some of these other tools, you're more than welcome to send it to me and contact me, and I'd be happy to send it back when I'm done with the videos. Any of the help that you can give would be much appreciated. If all you can do is like, comment, and subscribe, and, you know, hang out with me on the videos, and, you know, watch the videos when they show up, that is much appreciated as well. But what tools I do have that I can do testing on and head-to-heads on, I'm going to be purchasing 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for personal use, as well as we're going to use them on the channel. I'm going to be purchasing wood with the money from the channel to do these head-to-heads. And the tools I have available at this moment right now for me is Milwaukee M12 and M18 brushed and fuel, DeWalt 8-volt, 12-volt extreme, 20-volt XR, 60-volt flex volt, 120-volt flex volt. I got Metabo 18-volt. I picked up some Metabo 12-volt as well. Also have Metabo HPT. Hitachi Power Tools, 18-volt and 36-volt multi-volt. We got Bosch 18-volt core. I might be picking up the Bosch 12-volt line for the channel as well for testing. Got Makita 7.2-volt, 9-volt, 12-volt, 18-volt, and 36-volt X2, as well as I'm going to be bringing the 40-volt and 80-volt Makita tools that just came out to the channel. I got Boschtic 18-volt. I got Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight 12-volt and 20-volt. The 12-volt tools aren't available anymore from what I know, or most of them aren't available anymore from Harbor Freight. Also got corded tools. I have Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Bosch, Makita, Stanley, Black & Decker, and a few other brands. You know, you guys let me know what you guys want to see. I don't have any Heart tools. I don't have any Ego tools. I don't have any Hilti or Fest tool or any of those high-end expensive brands. I don't have any of those either. Those are mostly for contractors. I'm sure there's a crap ton of other ones. I don't have any of the older or the newer Stanley very Fat Max power tools. I don't have a lot of Black & Decker cordless at all either. Most of my Black & Decker is corded. I don't have any Hercules or Bauer. You know, let me know what you guys would like to see on the channel head to head. And if any of that interests you guys, please smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, and hanging out with me today. This charger does have a conditioning, maintenance charge and conditioning mode, which is what it is when I plug this in. See how it's flickering on and off? It's maintaining the battery because it's fully charged. Other than that, you know, that's all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video, and the flickering on the camera from the light is not actually this mode. It's actually fading in and out very smooth. It's actually the shutter response on the camera. It doesn't like the frequency of what the LED is running at, and that's why it's flickering like that. But appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, hanging out with me today, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!